What'd you say? Hmm? What'd you say it? What'd you say, Mama?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be with me and Mila. Today we're going to be reviewing the Tot Deluxe and the Tot Grande. If you want to see our thoughts on the Tot, please keep watching.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so we started off with purchasing the Tot Deluxe first. Mila has been sleeping in this. Mila has been sleeping in this bed till she was about 9 months old, and she loved this Tot. If you can tell, what? She slept in this, and it's just basically a co-sleeper. You can sleep in the bed with this, and this goes in between you and your spouse, and it just prevents her from rolling out or you rolling on to the baby. So it has the I don't want to say the arms, but the part that goes around it to kind of cup, to kind of hold the baby so that the baby feels like she's in the mother's womb where she's tight. Most bassinets and beds are just wide and open, and so the baby can kind of move around and, you know, does the, what do you call it whenever they startle whenever they're newborn? They startle a lot, so this kind of prevents it because it hugs the baby really tight. Mila had this since she was a newborn, and she is now 10 months old now. As you can see, she's a busybody, so she's outgrown this, and she's also, now she's sleeping inside the Tot Grande. And this is from 0 to 8 months is what's recommended, and this is from 9 to 36 months. So Mila will be able to sleep in this for, you know, a couple of years from now. She loves this thing. She takes her naps in and she sleeps in this at night. And, you know, it's perfect for her size now. She weighs about 17 pounds now, so almost 20 pounds, and she can still fit, you know, comfortably in this and still has room to grow. I'll insert a clip of her sleeping in this tonight. She's a little busybody right now. So Mila can actually lay down in this, and she can actually roll over. As you can see, this is how she lays in it when she goes to sleep. But she can be able to put her hands up, down, do whatever, roll around in it. I love this. This is so soft. It comes in different prints. I just got the basic white. You can get the marble. You can get, you know, any other color here. But I got the marble this time, and she loves it. It's very soft. It grows with her. And like I said, she can take this anywhere that she wants to go. I highly recommend any new mom who is looking for something for baby to sleep in, that you don't want to do the basic co-sleeper or the basic bassinet. I highly recommend the Tot, because like I said, there's different ones where she can use this until she's 3 years old. So you can grow from the small up until the large. Or it comes in multiple different covers. I'll insert a clip here to show you guys all the different covers that you can order from. So the question that I always get is Tot worth your money? Yes, we think that it is worth the money. Like I said, we purchased this one here, and I saw the rave on it, I believe on Instagram, and I'm like, that looks pretty comfortable of what, you know, a baby will sleep in. And so I purchased this one, and this is all Mila slept in since she was excuse you, Mila, since she was born. So it was only right for me to upgrade to the Tot Grande. So, do you like your Tot, Mila? Do you like your Tot? So yes, me and my husband both think that the Tot is actually worth the money. It's worth the splurge. It is a luxury item, a luxury baby item, but I feel like for her to get a good night's rest and for us to try to get a good night's rest, it's worth the investment for my baby to sleep comfortably. Because if you think about it, you would spend a lot of money on your mattress, so why not invest in your baby's mattress of what she sleeps in? So, alright, Mila, let's end this video. Say thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give us a huge thumbs up, and we look forward to seeing you guys in our next video. Tell them bye, Mila. Look, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye, guys.